portable 2-burner propane stove ideal for cooking at campsites, picnics, and more. Fits 2 pans up to 10 inches each and produces 20,000 total BTUs of cooking power. Pressure control technology delivers consistent heat in outdoor conditions. Runs over an hour with both burners on high on a 16.4-ounce propane cylinder, sold separately. Matchless InstaStart ignition light stove with the push of a button. Top reviews from the United States. I was carrying the big Coleman stove. As other reviewers had mentioned, the grates are too high and there is nothing to block the wind. Thanks to the dude with the modification list. I'm all set. The wind was blowing, hence the wind shield I brought. The modified grates are a winner also. The water boiled quickly. I didn't buy the carrying bag. I have plenty of carrying cases from seminars and conventions. I packed the carrying case with heavy-duty bubble wrap from work. Thanks IT. This size stove is exactly what I needed. Now everything is in one bag. I will update after my next camping trip. Update, with the advice from someone who has purchased the stove and recommended these grates. The grates are low enough to the flame that it speeds up the cooking process 100%. A plus. I only used 1 can of propane cooking 2 meals a day for 4 days.